What I'm going to do for you now is I'm going to create a piece within a minute. This is what I do. I take this card, this tray, right? There you go. The thing off there. I like to paint because what it does, it changes what you've got here from the mundane, everyday article into what could be loosely termed as a piece of art. Then, what you do, you find something unusual like this, put it in the drawer. Hey, it looks great. I love it. Hang the drawer out like that, little face there. Then you find a box. Boxes are great. They're a cheap way to go. You get a lot out of a box. Then you go, hey, look, here's a Salvador Dali painting I've always loved. Had it ever since I was a kid. Put that right in there. See that? Gives an illusion of depth there. Hey, how about a few letters, huh? Just spell something. How about new art? That's a concept. Art. New art. Never can go wrong with those words right there. Art. Put the old new art things in there. And then you want to top it off with something that's really good, like this bolt. You see this bolt? Fascinating. Put it on top of there. Then you have it. Then you take a little more paint, spray it on everything. And a little paint here, paint there. Make the thing look unusual. And then people can't tell what it is. They come up and they say, well, Henry, I just don't know what that is. I guess it must be art. La da da. See? Look at that, a piece of art within a minute.